take a look at Apple Address Book integration in the Core 4. In order to integrate with Apple's Address Book, you will first need to purchase, install, and register the Address Book Manipulator plugin, which is sold separately. Let's discuss some of the out-of-box features of the plugin. Integration includes a bi-directional data exchange with Apple's Address Book. You may push a single or found set of contact records from the Core 4 to Address Book. You can also pull contacts from Address Book into the Core. Integration was designed to use a specific group in Address Book. This preserves your Address Book by only communicating with one designated group. Let's begin by installing the plugin. Navigate to the plugin bundle downloaded from our website. Locate the actual plugin and copy. You want to navigate to the FileMaker Extensions folder to install it. On a Mac, the folder is located in Library, Application Support, FileMaker, and Extensions. Paste the plugin right into this folder. Now we have installed the plugin. Next, let's open the Core 4. Now that we've downloaded and installed the plugin, the next step is to register it. Navigate to Core, Preferences, Global Settings, and the Plugins tab. Here on the Register Plugins tab, I can see that the Address Book Manipulator is installed. After you purchase the plugin, you'll receive a license ID from Productive Computing. Enter your license ID here. Then select the Register button. You only need to register once per user per machine. Now the plugin is running in live mode, indicated here. Now we have successfully installed and registered the Address Book Manipulator plugin. Let's navigate to User Settings. I'm currently logged in as John Smith. The Address Book Manipulator tab is where you will specify the name of the group to communicate with in Address Book. I'll name the group Core 4 Contacts. The group name is specific to each Core user. You will be pushing and pulling contact records only in this group. Please note that this is case sensitive, so I'll copy the name and let's navigate to Address Book. Here in Address Book, we can see that the group does not exist. I'll create a new group called Core 4 Contacts. I'm going to place all of the contacts that I'd like to bring into the Core into this group. Now there are 4 records in the Core 4 Contacts group. Here on the Contacts tab, navigate to Core, Preferences, User Settings, and the Address Book Manipulator tab. Select this button to import contacts from Address Book. Four contacts were successfully imported from Address Book. Here we can see the Address Book contacts have been added in the Core. Next, let's review pushing records from the Core 4 to Address Book. I'll perform a find for a record that currently doesn't exist in Address Book. Then navigate to Core, and here we can see the pushing options. Push contact to Address Book single and push contacts to Address Book found set. I'll go ahead and export this single record. In Address Book, here is Tyler's record that we have just pushed over. Now let's push a found set of records to Address Book. I'll perform a find for any record that is a client. 6 records are in the found set. Then navigate to Core, push contacts to Address Book, found set. The Address Book Manipulator plugin gives you the power to push and pull Core4 contacts with your address book. Typically, importing contacts from Address Book into the Core should be performed one time to give you a starting point. All adds, edits, or deletions ideally should be done in the Core. But if you modify anything in Address Book, you can certainly re-import everything back in. This is just a brief overview of the many features and possibilities of the Core4. For more information on what the Core can do for you, please visit Core4CRM.com. Review the videos and documentation, and try a demo. Please contact us via email, phone, or browser forum if you have any additional questions.